Destination B1. Prepositional phrases. By accident. I meant to call Helen, but I called Roger by accident. In addition to. In addition to all the food, we took some games to play. At the age of. I left home at the age of 18. By air/sea/bus/car/ etc. The best way to get there is by bus. At the back of. Let's go and sit at the back. In the beginning. I found Chinese hard to learn in the beginning, but it's easier now. On board. The ship left as soon as all the passengers were on board. At the bottom of. What's it like at the bottom of the sea? On business. I travel a lot on business. In cash. The woman paid for the car in cash, which was unusual. On CD, DVD/video. I didn't see it at the cinema, so I'm watching it on DVD tonight. By chance. I met Vinia by chance in the town center. In charge of. I'd like to speak to the person in charge. On the coast. We used to live on the coast. In common with. I've got nothing in common with you. In comparison to/with. Germany is very small in comparison with Russia. In conclusion. In conclusion, I believe that television is a positive invention. In good/bad condition. For sale, camping equipment, in good condition. In contact with. I'm still in contact with several friends from school. In the corner of. In the corner of the room there was a guitar. By credit card/check. Can I pay by check? In danger of. That house is in danger of falling down. In debt. It can be very worrying to be in debt. On a diet. I'm on a diet at the moment, so I'm not eating any fatty food. In the distance. Is that a car I can see in the distance? On off-duty. My dad's a policeman, and he's often on duty at night. By email/phone/letter. Get in touch by email, and I'll send you my photos. In the end. I thought we would get there at 3, but in the end, we arrived at 5. At the end of. At the end of the film, everyone got married. In fact. Many people think Greece is hot in the winter, but in fact, it sometimes snows. In fashion/style. Those shoes are really in fashion at the moment. Out of fashion/style. Things seem to go out of fashion very quickly these days. In favor of. Are you in favor of school uniforms? At first. I didn't like Mary at first, but then we became friends. On foot. Can we go from the hotel to the beach on foot, or is it better to take a bus? In front of. Don't worry, you can park in front of our house. For fun. I sing in a band for fun. In the future. Will people live on other planets in the future? In general. In general, TV programs are not educational. By heart. I've learnt the song by heart. On holiday. Isn't it great to finally be on holiday? For instance. Many countries, for instance the UK, don't have identity cards. On the internet. You can find a lot of information on the internet. At last. At last, we've arrived. Against the law. Stealing is against the law. At least. It's cold, but at least it's not raining. In love with. I'm in love with Chris. In a mess. Your room is in a mess. Go and tidy it. In the middle of. In the middle of the stage, there was an elephant. At the moment. I'm busy at the moment. At most. The tickets should cost about €20 at most. On the news. They mentioned the accident on the news. At night. It usually gets dark at night. In my opinion. In my opinion, we shouldn't go to school on Saturdays. Out of order. This phone is out of order. We'll have to find another one. On your own. Did you go to the cinema on your own? On the phone. Come in and wait a second, I'm just on the phone. Under pressure. My dad is under a lot of pressure at work at the moment. In public. Politicians can say things in private that they can't say in public. On purpose. I didn't do it on purpose. On the radio. I first heard that song on the radio. For rent. Do you have any rooms for rent? In response to. I am writing in response to your letter of July 13th. At risk. You're at risk of failing the exam if you don't work harder. For sale. I'm afraid the pictures on the wall aren't for sale. On schedule. Our train arrived on schedule. In secret. We planned a birthday party for Julie in secret. In shape. It's important to me to stay in shape, so I go to the gym whenever I can. In spite of. Tina seems to be happy, in spite of her recent problems. On stage. There were 3 actors on stage. On strike. We got a day off school because our teachers were on strike. In tears. When I found Fiona, she was in tears. In your teens/20s/ etc. Life isn't always easy when you're in your teens. For a long time. I haven't seen George for a long time. In time, for. We arrived at the cinema just in time for the start of the film. On time. Make sure you are here on time tomorrow. At times. I like studying French, but it can be hard work at times. At the top of. What was it like at the top of Mount Everest? On top of. He sprinkled sugar on top of the cake. In total. In total, we made over €200 for charity. In touch with. I'm still in touch with several friends from school. In trouble. We'll be in trouble if the teacher catches us. On TV. Is there anything on TV tonight? In my view. In my view, we shouldn't go to school on Saturdays. By yourself. Did you go to the cinema by yourself?